Hi, this is Scoggett, and I decided to make a second part to my Happy Memorial Day barbecue video. And the cloud what was in the previous video, well, it's come through, and I'll go ahead and show you how it looks now. As you can see, it really come a rainstorm down here, and it passed over. And I've got my sausage and hot dogs on the grill right now. But it's cleared off, and it's clearing off, so I should be all right. Yeah, this thing just blew through. I had my hot dogs on there, and it was just pouring down rain. And I'm still going to eat hot dogs and sausage. So nothing stops me, like I said once, and I'll say it again. Appreciate you watching the video, and y'all take care.